Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world today. As always, I hope you're fitting well. In the New York trading session here at the moment, it's just gone 10 o'clock New York time in the morning. This is the US CAD, the US Canadian dollar. This is the daily chart, and we got sort of 3 days of weakness here, and even when you go back 4 days, it closed at the same level as these candles here almost. And bringing it down to the 4 hour. We're negative, we're bearish on this pair. And when you look at the 1 hour, it looks like this. And I'm going for a very short, like 5 pips on the move here. So you can see the red line is our profit target here, the horizontal red line. And going for a very, very small trade on each position, approximately 5 pips, some a little bit less, some a little bit more, and we'll see how this trade develops. But it's looking promising because we're at a certain sort of resistance at the moment. There was a sharp fall there. This is the hourly, and then it went the other way, and it seems to be a bit confused, the market at the moment. But I will say, with overall momentum being slightly bearish and certain indecision there in that spike, and volume falling off, I'm confident that this trade will work out. And there we are on the 5 minute, and indeed let's break it down to the 1 minute, and it's certainly staying in a very tight range here. I don't even have stops on at the moment. I'm just monitoring this very, very closely. If it goes severely the wrong way, then I would just close these trades out very quickly and manually. But this is looking rather promising. So I don't know how long this trade is going to take to develop, but as we've gone past the 10 o'clock mark in New York, in the New York morning session, and of course London is trading at the same time here, and these candles have not gone very far past entry point. This is minute by minute here. It's I'm very comfortable with this trade. So looking at it on the hourly basis, it's like that, and you can see in the big picture on the hourly candle, I'm not, I'm going for a very minute gain here. Got several positions on, and this will move one way or the other for sure, and it will move quickly one of these ways because we're not asking for a big move. And this is on the minute by minute. There's probably some news items coming out at the moment. I actually haven't even looked at the news docket. I'm trading this purely technically because there's no big announcement from the Federal Reserve. It's not NFP day, and there's nothing major coming out at the moment. Most of the news today is, in my view, noise. And dollar strength is returning to the market a little bit today, and let's see how this works out. Well, it feels like forever with this video at the moment, so what I'll do is I'll continue in another video and see if we can catch this hitting the profit target live. Thank you for listening. Hope it's useful, and take care.